I prepare the tools and material: glass, spoon, coloring, and baking powder. Put the material into the glass, baking powder, and then the food coloring. And then still all ingredients using spoon. Put the water. After that, put the mixture in a hole. Okay. And then add acetic acid. Will release a hot lava. Maybe only in this I can do. Previously, a reaction of baking soda and acetic acid between form.
Forget it. Conclusion.
Oh yeah. A reaction between acetic acid and baking soda produce an enormous amount of carbon dioxide gas that gives rise to high bubbles like this yang like hot lava.
Like hot. Yes.
Thanks for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.